problem here. Determine the zeros or roots of each function or equation. Remember that the roots or the zeros are places where they cross the x-axis right here. All right, let's go ahead and do question number C1. F of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 5. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go for the home run and see if factoring works. A times c is negative 5. Remember that comes from ax squared plus bx plus c, and this is my a times c. And this is my b value. So my b value is 3. And two numbers that multiply to be negative 5 are 5 and 1. But you'll notice that it doesn't matter what combination of negative 5 plus 1, they never equal to add to 3. Which means that this is not factorable. Okay, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4a all over 2 times a. And I'm just going to do my substitutions here. So the b value is positive 3, so we're going to put that here and here. The a value, there is none right there, so that is a 1. So I'm going to put it here and here. And I forgot something. I forgot my c value here, and that one is negative 5. Okay, let's substitute all those numbers in. X equals, okay, this negative sign has to stay there. Here's my substitution in parentheses. My b value is 3, plus or minus the square root of 3 squared. We say minus 4, but it's really a negative 4 times the a value, which is 1, and c value, which is negative 5. All over 2 times 1. Let's go ahead and simplify this now. So I have the opposite of positive 3, which is negative 3, plus or minus the square root. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, now watch how I do this one. I'm just going to multiply all of those in green. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Positive 20, okay? All over 2 times 1, which is 2. And we're almost done here. So x equals negative 3 plus or minus 9 plus 20 is 29. All divided by 2. Okay, now this problem doesn't tell us to either use decimals or we'll keep it this as an exact answer. Let's write that, exact answer. And let's just keep that as our final answer. Now, I want to explain the plus or minus. The plus or minus just means you have two problems. You have negative 3 plus radical 29 over 2, and negative 3 minus radical 29 over 2. Okay, so you really have 2 solutions here. And remember, that means that the quadratic crosses in those 2 places.